Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So the first way is a little bit easy and obvious, but just restart your Bluetooth connection. To do it, open the connected devices section and go to the connection preferences. Now tap on Bluetooth and just click this little switcher to turn it off and turn it on again. Now click the paired device. If you still don't have your device here, try to change the name of your device to give some Bluetooth refresh to the Bluetooth settings. And check for your device again. If you still don't have it here, just go back, and I recommend you to restart the device and the Bluetooth accessory. To do it, just hold the power button and click restart. If you still don't have your device after the Bluetooth, you have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for your tablet, and you have to check in the manual instructions how to open the pair mode or how to reset the Bluetooth on your device. Okay, and the next way is reset Bluetooth connection. To do it, just go to down and go to the system. Now choose the reset options and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now just reset these settings. How you can see, my network settings have been reset, and check for your Bluetooth device again. The next way is a system update. Just check that your tablet have any updates and install it. And the last recommendation from me is checking their Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on the other Bluetooth device to check that is problem with your tablet or maybe with your Bluetooth accessory. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, good luck and goodbye.